And they're escorted out by Jay Johnson and Uncle Leroy.
I don't know how this goes. Jesus, Pat. That's where it is.
Keep hers on. You ain't got nothing up here, baby.
Alrighty, the referee checking for weapons right there. Making sure everybody's clean. Looks like they're having a spit spat of words right there.
My goodness, Tanner. Is this going to be a cat fight or is this going to be a diva fight? All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go.
I'm surprised the bell rang at first. I thought it was going to be a debate match. Starting off, we're going to have McKenna versus Destiny Ray. There's the cover. Oh, near fall with the save by Lacey. Oh, there's a choke. Destiny Rain using the count to be able to get a little bit of leverage over McKenna. Tag made to Crystal Fire. She comes in firing off with some kicks of her own. Into the ropes and what a clothesline.
Flying high. Oh! My goodness, what a hit.
There's the cover by Crystal. 2 count, shoulders up by McKenna. I'm sure they probably heard that over in LJ or Dog, one of the two. Ooh, that one sounded long distance.
I felt that slap over here, Tanner.
McKenna making her pay for all those chops, working her way back into her teammate's corner. There's the tag to Lacey Worth.
She twists that arm much harder and I think it's going to pop off. pressure on that left arm there.
Nice little headlock. Oh, what a takedown by Lacey.
And it's down. Oh, nice counter.
Oh, near fall broke up by Destiny Rain. What a spine buster done to Lacey from Crystal. There's the pinfall, and she got it
Got
up.
that shoulder up.
Why don't you shove over, Charlie?
She stains on that hair much harder, and the whole scalp's gonna come off. Got the shoulder off the mat there.
You can get big easy, but not that easy.
Hey, don't be talking about it like that, little floozy. What are you gonna do? I only had an opportunity to do it.
Don't make her mad.
Destiny taking advantage of the ref's count. Lacey fought out of it. Oh, and a slam to Destiny. There's the pin.
Oh, boy.
Help me out! Help me out!
And ladies and gentlemen, that is the match.